Hello, my name is Courtney Cohen. In this screencast, you'll get a preview of my mock classroom website. I use Wix.com to create this for my Education 253 class. So under the welcome page, you'll find a little section about how excited I am for the following school year. I also included a quote, "What we learn becomes a part of who we are," just to get the kids excited about learning and coming to school. Under the About Me section, you'll find a section about who I am and where I graduated from college and where I received my master's degree. You'll also have a little section about what I like to do outside of school. See here, this is my dog Baxter. If you ever want to contact me, you can just go to the Contact Information tab. All my contact information is there, and here's a little easy way for you to get in touch. So you're just your name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and whatever message you have for me. And I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can. Under the Student Corner, this is mostly for the students, you'll find our daily schedule, assignments for homework and projects, as well as materials needed for class. So under our daily schedule, you will find what our day looks like. It tends to be the same thing every day. The only thing that switches would be our special schedule. As you see, we have different specials on each day. Under the Assignments tab, you will find the assignments for the week. So if you ever miss class, you can just go and look on the page. For our math worksheet that was handed out in class, if you need it, you can just scan the QR code and it will pop right up. As you can see, we are reading Shiloh, which is such a great book, and the kids seem to really enjoy it. Under our class materials, if you ever want to grab materials before school starts, or if you're missing something throughout the school year, you can just refer back to class materials, and everything will be listed there for you. Under the Parents Corner, parents, this is mostly for you, you'll find our monthly newsletter, important dates, and frequently asked questions. So for the newsletter, you'll find it under the Newsletters tab. And if you just click the red PDF form, it will bring you to the newsletter. On the newsletter, you'll find reminders, birthdays. So as you can see, we have a trunk or treat coming up in October. So if you just scan the QR code, it will bring you to our information about that. If you ever forget the spelling words for the month, you can just refer back to the newsletter, and our words are listed right there. You can also get in contact with the school by referring back to the monthly newsletter. And then on the second page, you'll find a calendar. So if you ever want to look ahead as to what the month has in store, just refer back to this monthly newsletter. Okay, under important dates, you'll see what is going on throughout the month. So on September 11th, there will be a PTA meeting. So if you scan the QR code, there will be like a sign-up sheet, some just more information about the interest meeting, and hopefully you can attend. And then for the frequently asked questions, I included some questions that I have received over the past years of my career. As you can see here, I included a link. So if you want to check on your students' grades, you just click on the link and it brings you to the Home Access Center where you can view grades, so like test grades or homework grades, project grades, just to keep track of what your kid is up to. Alright, so if you go to the classroom projects, you'll see the projects that we are working on in class. So here we have a science project, The Great Cookie Dunk, and we also have an English project, which is fiction writing. Under our quick links tab, we have all of the educational websites that we use in class. So throughout the day, depending on if we're doing a math lesson or an English lesson, a reading lesson, we will turn to these websites and we will use them as a reference. So feel free to have your kids do them at home if they're ever bored, or if you want to take away their game time, just give them some fun activities to do to learn as well. And lastly, we have the school website. So if you ever need directions, they're listed here too. If you want to get to the website quickly, just click on this link right here and it brings you to the website. And then also here's the address again. Thank you.